Hi, it's Doctorjock here with Toothless, and today I'm going to do an unboxing of Hiccup and Toothless from the Hidden World. So there's the front, the side, and the back, the other side, and the bottom. And I'll be back once I've got them out of the box. So let's take a look at Hiccup first. As you can see, he's wearing armour, he has his sword, and he has articulation in his shoulder joints, his hip joints, and he can turn his head. He's got his flight suit on the back, although that doesn't do anything, it's just there. So yeah, that's Hiccup. Now if we move on to Toothless. Now he can't stand properly because his action mechanic is in his back legs. So he sort of balances lopsided. You can see it's what controls his mouth, so he can't stand properly. His wings are posable, and what he does is it's a projectile. So you use his back legs to open his mouth, then you insert the projectile, and then to fire you just pull the legs back and he'll fire the projectile. Now Hiccup can sort of ride him, you sort of have to just place him there, but there's nothing that keeps him affixed, it just sort of balances. So yeah, that was my unboxing of Hiccup and Toothless. Thanks for watching. Bye!